I'd like to now discuss on the VPAP ST by ResMed how to get into the ST mode. So you can see this is the patient menu. And this is where we're going to obtain our parameters. When it's on the patient, it's going to tell us leak and respiratory rate, etc. But we need to make those changes. So we need to get into what we call the settings in the advanced setting mode. So on the VPAP ST, you have to press these two buttons down for 3 seconds. And it's going to tell you, welcome to the clinical mode. But you're not done. You have to select menu. Now you're in settings. So we'll enter. Now it's going to say, it says we're in CPAP, but we're going to change it to ST. So you have to select change. It'll allow us to scroll through the various modes that are available on the VPAP. So I just went around the horn there, but we want to pick ST, so you select apply. First thing it's going to have you do is select your IPAP. And if I wanted to increase this, I would select change. Then I would go up, and it goes in 0.2 increments. And notice it's going to show you your pressure support difference from the EPAP that's currently set. So we moved it up to 11. I would select apply, and then here's my EPAP. And I can change that again if I select change. And I can go up or down. And again, it's going to show you the pressure support change here, which is kind of a nice feature. Select apply. Allows you to pick your respiratory rate. Your rise time, which the 150 millisecond is pretty good for 95% of your patients. If to change the rise time, again, you would press change and go up and go down. TI min and max at its factory settings are just fine for, again, 95% of the patients we're going to care for. Smart Start is a feature that's used in the home setting to power down and power up the device. We leave it off because if it's on, it deactivates really the only alarm on the machine called leak alert. Leak alert allows a certain amount of leak before it starts alarming. And so with Smart Start off, leak alert will be on. The mask, the listings are per ResMed. So we do have a little sheet on each of the devices that tells us. So if I wanted to put on a nasal mask, as it shows here, it would be standard. If I wanted to change this and maybe go with a full face mask, I would have to pick Mirage Full. So I'd change and it would allow me, there we go, Mirage, apply. Now we're at the end of our selection menu under settings. We'll exit. We'll now move down one to advanced settings. Enter, and now we see leak alert is on. Trigger and cycle moving into the inspiratory and out of the inspiratory phase. Trigger and cycle are set at, or can be set at slow, very slow, medium, fast, and very fast. So depending on your patient's needs, but again, 95% is the number we keep throwing around. 95% of your patients will be well or will be comfortable with the medium setting. Tube length is always 2. Ramp is always at 45. We leave it at that. And remember when I talked about in Viato, if we were in Viato, this would be settle. So that's the subtle difference between the two modes when it comes to ramping. But we always leave this at 45, and we're able to set anything below that when we want to set a ramp for our patients. If we are setting a ramp, it asks us, what do we want to start the EPAP at? And we can change that if we wanted to by going up or down 0.4 increments. Just like that. And now we're at the end of the advanced settings. At this point, I can exit completely out of the clinical menu, press start stop, and now it should provide gas to the patient. I hope you found this helpful. This is again a review on the VPAP ST by ResMed on how to set parameters in the ST mode. Thanks for watching.